Subaru is launching a brand new all-electric 3-row SUV called the Getaway, and it just became the most powerful production Subaru ever built. If you've been holding off on going electric because 3-row EVs either lacked real power, real range, or genuine all-weather capability, this is the vehicle that changes that calculation. The Getaway is arriving with 420 horsepower, standard all-wheel drive on every single trim, and over 300 miles of estimated range, and here are 6 reasons why waiting for it is a genius move. Number 6. Most powerful Subaru you can buy. Power numbers rarely lead the conversation around family SUVs, but when a brand puts its most capable machine ever into a 3-row body, that changes the discussion entirely. Here's a frustration most 3-row SUV drivers know well. Load up 3 rows of passengers, throw in luggage, and that once capable engine starts working against itself. Acceleration softens. Highway merges require patience. Most families have simply accepted that trade-off for years. The Getaway is built to erase that experience. Its dual-motor electric powertrain is rated at 420 horsepower, making it the most powerful production Subaru ever built, above the WRX, above the BRZ, above everything else the brand has ever offered. The Toyota Highlander EV shares the same platform and produces 338 horsepower. The Getaway arrives with 82 additional horsepower as standard, and there is no lower power configuration. Every trim ships with a full 420 horsepower dual-motor setup, no compromises in the fine print. Subaru is estimating a 0 to 60 sprint in under 5 seconds. That puts the Getaway right alongside the Kia EV9 all-wheel drive at 4.5 seconds and the Hyundai Ioniq 9 all-wheel drive at 4.4 seconds, 2 of the quickest 3-row EVs available today. But 420 horsepower means nothing if the battery runs dry 150 miles into a road trip, and that's where the next reason becomes just as important as this one. Number 5. Competitive range supercharger network access. The Getaway is going to come equipped with a 95.8 kilowatt-hour battery, with Subaru projecting more than 300 miles of estimated driving range, putting it in direct competition with the Ioniq 9 and the EV9, 2 of the strongest long-range performers in this class. Anyone who has taken a road trip in an electric vehicle understands how quickly charging anxiety takes over. You're scanning maps for the next station, calculating whether the battery holds enough range to reach it, and quietly adjusting the route. That is exactly the experience that supercharger access removes. Every Getaway is being built with a standard NACS port, the Tesla connector, plugging it into one of the largest and most reliable charging networks in North America. More locations, shorter waits, far less guesswork. On a 150 kilowatt connection, Subaru estimates a 10 to 80% charge in approximately 30 minutes, under ideal conditions. A battery preconditioning system also comes standard, bringing the pack to optimal temperature before charging begins. That's the difference between consistent sessions and unpredictably slow top-ups in a winter parking lot. A smaller 77 kilowatt-hour battery will arrive later for buyers who want a lower entry price. But for anyone planning real road trips with a full family, the long-range 95.8 kilowatt-hour pack is the one to wait for. Now, all that range is only useful if the vehicle can carry your family comfortably, and what Subaru has done with the interior genuinely deserves a closer look. Number 4. Plenty of cabin space. 3 rows, nearly 14 feet of vehicle. The real question is whether that 3rd row works for actual passengers or exists only on the spec sheet. Anyone who has squeezed a full family into a 3-row SUV knows the compromise. Cargo disappears the moment all seats are occupied, knees are touching seat backs, and 3rd-row riders are negotiating inches. The Getaway is designed around exactly that scenario. Behind the 3rd row, there is 15.9 cubic feet of cargo space, enough for proper luggage with everyone on board. Fold that 3rd row flat using power-operated buttons in the cargo area, and storage grows to 45.6 cubic feet, numbers that sit directly alongside the EV9 and Ioniq 9. The base premium and top touring trims arrive with captain's chairs as standard, holding capacity at 6 with real shoulder room between passengers. The mid-range Limited includes a bench seat by default, bringing the Getaway to 7-passenger capacity with the captain's chair layout available as an option. Standard across every trim. Heated and power-adjustable front seats, 3-zone automatic climate control, and customizable ambient lighting. The Touring adds Napa leather upholstery. USB-C charging ports are built into all 3 rows. Every seat covered, no adapters required. A great cabin matters, but outdated technology makes it feel old-fast. So wait until you hear what Subaru is putting behind that 14-inch screen. Number 3. Latest tech and safety features. One of the more frustrating things about buying a new vehicle is realizing, just a couple of years later, that the technology already feels a generation behind. The Getaway is arriving with a tech package built to hold its ground against what the segment is currently offering. Every Getaway comes with a 14-inch infotainment touchscreen and a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto standard across all trims. The interface has earned good marks in other recent Subaru EVs for intuitive navigation and fast response. Two 15-watt wireless charging pads sit up front, and 4 USB-C ports serve the second and third rows. Higher trims are expected to add a head-up display, 360-degree camera, and a semi-autonomous parking feature, technology that was once reserved for vehicles well above this price point. Subaru's EyeSight suite arrives standard on every Getaway, including automatic emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, lane change assist, and traffic jam assist. Upper trims add front cross-traffic alert and self-parking. Electrical components carry an 8-year, 100,000-mile warranty, with the powertrain backed for 5 years and 60,000 miles. For a first-time EV buyer, that coverage turns a perceived risk into a straightforward decision. The tech is current, the safety net is solid, but none of it would feel right if this vehicle didn't drive like a true Subaru, and that's exactly what the next reason guarantees. Number 2. Standard all-wheel drive. All-wheel drive is what Subaru does, not as an upgrade, not as a trim-level reward, as a baseline. The brand has built its identity on confident traction in rain, snow, and on roads that other vehicles prefer to avoid. The Getaway is carrying that commitment directly into electric territory. Picture pulling out of a snowy driveway in a front-wheel drive SUV. Throttle applied, front wheels spinning, the vehicle going nowhere useful. Subaru has made sure that experience does not exist with the Getaway. Every trim is all-wheel drive, no exceptions. The Toyota Highlander EV offers a front-wheel drive version. Subaru does not. Every Getaway leaving the factory is dual motor, both axles driven, no lower configuration changes that. That decision is directly tied to the output figure. The 420 horsepower rating exists because 2 motors are working together, one on each axle. This is not all-wheel drive added for marketing. It is the architecture the powertrain is built around. X mode arrives as standard equipment, with dedicated snow and dirt, and deep snow and mud programs. Hill descent control is included. With 8.3 inches of ground clearance, the Getaway handles unpaved roads and trailhead access that most 3-row SUVs would walk past entirely. Standard all-wheel drive, 420 horsepower, 300-plus miles of range. You'd expect all of that to carry a steep price. What Subaru is actually charging might be the most compelling part of this entire list. Number 1. Competitive prices. Pricing for the 2027 Subaru Getaway is about to start at around $55,000 for the base premium trim. The mid-range Limited is priced at approximately $60,000, and the fully loaded Touring Top's out at around $65,000. Those numbers hold up well against the field. The Kia EV9 starts near $55,000, but all-wheel drive pushes that price up considerably. The Hyundai Ioniq 9 lands in similar territory, without supercharger access at any trim. The Cadillac Vistique commands significantly higher figures for a comparable setup. The Getaway delivers all-wheel drive and supercharger access from its base trim, where most rivals charge a meaningful premium just to reach that same combination. The Limited at around $60,000 is the clear value pick, adding 20-inch wheels, a 360-degree camera, heated second and third row seats, and a roof rack system. A complete family SUV, not a stripped-out entry model with a competitive sticker. The 2027 Subaru Getaway is arriving as a genuinely complete package. 420 horsepower and standard all-wheel drive on every trim set it apart before the conversation even starts. Over 300 miles of range, supercharger access, and battery preconditioning handle real-world family travel. The cabin delivers 3 functional rows, generous cargo capacity, and USB-C ports at every seat. EyeSight safety technology and an 8-year electrical warranty come standard. And pricing starting at around $55,000 keeps it competitive against rivals that charge more for less. For anyone shopping the 3-row electric SUV segment, the Getaway is shaping up to be one of the harder vehicles to argue against. Electrification is on a swing, but the vast majority of Subaru buyers still prefer good old internal combustion. And if you're one of them, you'll definitely be happy to check out our next video about the Subaru Crosstrek. Small, practical, and off-road capable, the Crosstrek finally gets a hybrid powertrain it deserves and solidifies its class-leading position.